Good day, students. Today we want to look at CSS, and we're going to begin with basic CSS styles. As we proceed, we're going to first of all look at how to create an embedded style sheet. Then we will look at how to create what is called an ID selector. We will also look at how to create class selectors, and we will also examine how to do multiple selectors. So from time to time, you may want to apply the same style to several tags or several different tags. So for example, the P tag and the H1 tag, you may want it to have a particular background color or a particular font. So when we talk about multiple selectors, that's what we're talking about. We will look at how to create an external style sheet, and we will examine how to link to an external style sheet. So the concept behind external and internal CSS is that one, you could have the CSS embedded in the current web page that you're working on, or you could have this CSS document in a separate file, and that is best practice. It's not recommended that you have your CSS style sheet in your same web page. It's normally in a separate document. Okay? All right, so as we begin, what is CSS? It is cascading style sheet. This is basically what gives life to your web page. So in terms of the color, the coordination, and all of that, and the alignment, the background, some persons will utilize HTML tags to do certain things, but what you will note in HTML5, the industry standard is moving to utilizing CSS for all the styles. So for example, back in the days, we would have the ability to do font and create a font style from HTML. That feature is not deprecated. You will also note that back in the days, we could put a background color for your table, background color for your cells. All of those features are now deprecated. You are recommended to utilize style sheets. So as we go further and further, you will realize that most of the alignment and background features are eventually going to be removed from HTML5, and everything will have to be done using CSS. So as I said before, the beginning of these sessions, that HTML5 is what do the presentation. It is the foundation of the internet. Styling is done through CSS, and interaction to make your web page come alive, to interact with the end user, is done through JavaScript. Okay, I will continue and show you how to create a CSS embedded in your web page in the next presentation. Thank you.